Welcome, taxpayer. For this tutorial, we'll show you how to make payment arrangements with SARS e-filing. Click Returns from the menu at the top. Select SARS Correspondence from the menu on the left side of the screen. Then select either one of the notices from the menu. Request Historic IT Notices. Request Admin Penalty Statement of Accounts. Request PAYE Notices. Then, based on your request, select View the Statement of Account or Notice of Assessment. Click the Payment Arrangement button from Statement of Account or Notice of Assessment to initiate Payment Arrangement Request. Once you've selected the Payment Arrangement button, you must select the tax type with the outstanding debt. Please note, the Payment Arrangement Request can only be done on one tax type at a time. Click Continue. Click Accept Terms. The following pop-up message will be displayed if there are no supporting documents required. Click OK to continue with your payment arrangement. Once you accept the auto-simulated payment arrangement plan, you'll be redirected to this screen pre-populated with your demographic details, where you are expected to complete the following mandatory fields: cell phone number, email address, method of payment. You may select Save to view the simulation at a later stage by clicking the View Simulation button. Selecting this button will navigate to the Simulated Payment Arrangement Plan screen and load the already accepted simulation. Propose different payment terms. Select the payment term on the drop-down menu, then select any value from 1 month to 36 months. Tick Include. Selecting this option allows you to include or exclude the debt not yet due amount as part of the re-simulation. Click Continue. This option will take you to the proposed payment arrangement plan. Tick Checkbox. By doing so, you accept the proposed simulation payment arrangement plan and declare that you have read and understood the agreement. Click Accept Terms. The following pop-up message will display if there are no supporting documents required. Click OK to continue. Select Submit if this is not expired. The button will be available provided no supporting documents are required and all mandatory payment arrangement details have been completed. You'll receive a confirmation message that your payment arrangement request was successful. Click OK on the confirmation message. You'll be redirected to the Payment Arrangement History screen to view the status of the payment arrangement request submitted. Congratulations! Your payment arrangement was successfully captured. And that concludes the Making Payment Arrangements with SARS e-filing tutorial. Thanks for watching. Your Tax Matters, SARS, at your service.